Welcome to the Teja Statistics. Today we are learning about in time series the least squares method again. This method of least squares is the most widely used, most objective and the best method of obtaining the trend values. The following steps are involved in the least squares method. The sum of the squares of the deviation is minimum, which is given by the legenders. So here the step number 1, consider the straight line equation of the form y equals to a plus bx. Here a and b are called constants, where x and y are the independent and dependent variables respectively. Step number 2, consider the dependent variable as y and independent variable as x, where x is given time value and y dependent variable. Okay, next step number 3, write the normal equations for the given straight line equation by using the Legendre's principle. Y equals to a plus bx, this is our uh, fitting of equation, so the trend line equation. So first you have to multiply the summation for the equation, then you will get the normal equation. Sigma y equals to n into a plus b into sigma x. Next sigma x into y is equals to a into sigma x plus b into sigma x square. Put it as equation 1 and equation 2 respectively. Prepare a table according to the given data. Calculate sigma x, sigma y, sigma xy and sigma x square from the table. Next, substitute all the values in the given normal equations and solve for the constants a and b. So substitute a and b values in the straight line equation, which is called a trend line equation. This is the required trend line equation, procedure and steps. Very important in our BCom Business Statistics examination. So this is the previous example which we already seen. Okay, find the trend line by the least squares method to the following data. Here they given years and sales. So we are supposing the year values as t and sales as y. So x we are deriving with year minus any one of the value randomly taken, that is 1978. So put at the value 1978, that is 0, and keep on moving to the upwards. Put the value as -1, -2, -3 like that. If any observations are given in the data. Next, +1 +2 we are substituting. Okay. Next, x into y we calculated. 9 2 ja -18, that is +9 and -2. Next, 12 into -1 is -12. 14 into 0 0. 16 into 1 +16. 20 into 2 40. Sigma you have to do sigma xy, and x square also we have to calculate for the given trend line equation. So 2 square is 4, 1 square is 1, 0 square is 0, 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4. So sigma x square we have to add all the values, that is 10. So substituting the values in our equation 1 and 2, then we will get the values like this. So first value here, n equals to how many number of observations here? 5 observations. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 observations we got. So sigma y we got from the table, that is all of total values of the sales, that is sigma y is 71, and 5 into a plus b into sigma x value we got from the table, that is 0. So keep on solving that. 55a equals to 71. From that 71 divided by 5, which is the value of a, that is 14.2. Next, second equation, 26 equals to a into 0 plus b into 10, which is also from the table. So 10b equals to 26, which is equation number 4. So from that we got the b value 2.6. The required trend line is y equals to 14.2 plus 2.6 into x. Similarly, you can see another more example. Fit a trend line to the following data. So here they also given the years and the profits, which is a dependent variable, which is an independent variable. So like that, again we had to do the sigma x value and x into y and x square. Let's see once again. So here the time values we are supposing as t. So x will become year minus, that is t minus 1984. Randomly we are picking this one, but for easy and simple calculations you have to suppose in the middle only. That is very quick values you are going to get. So at 1984 you got 0. 1984 minus 1984, that is 0. Keep on moving to the upwards, you will get the minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. From downwards you will get the plus 1, plus 2, plus 3. And x into y, so this x into y, 57 into minus 3, that is minus 171. 65 into 2, that is minus 130. 63 into minus 1, minus 63. 72 into 0, 70, that is 69 into 169, and 78 into 2, 156, and 82 into 3, that is 246. xy and also total also you have to do. Next, sigma x will become 0 here also. X square you have to substitute, that is 3 square is 9, 2 square is 4, 1 square is 1, 0 square is 0, 1, 4, 9 again. So sigma x square you got value as 28. Put all these values in our equation, normal equations, by the Legendre's principle. What is the principle? The sum of the squares of the deviation is minimum for the trend line equation y equals to a plus bx. So substitute that values in the normal equations like this, then you will get sigma y value is how much? That is 486 equals to how many number of observations are given? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So here n equals to 7. 7 into a plus b into 0. 486 equals to 7a. From a equals to 486 divided by 7, that is 69.4. Next value 107 is equals to a into 0 plus b into 28. So b value 107 divided by 28, that is 3.8. A and b values we got. Okay, therefore the required trend line is equals to 69.4 plus 3.8 into x. So the estimates in production, okay, in the year are production or profits. Okay, you can see in 1990 you had the data is given up to 1987 only, but they are asking you to find out the value at 1990. So how you are going to estimate this value? By using our equation. First of all, you have to find out the x value. So in our equation, x only we don't know. The what is the value of y, that is the production or profit, whatever they give in the question. Okay, profits. So in the year 1990, so you have to substitute at the x value. So 1990 minus 1990, 1984, that is x value, you got that 6. So substitute that value in our required trend line equation, that is 69.4 plus 2 uh, 3.8 into 6, that is which you got 22.8. so nearly rounded off value, that is 92.2. approximately you may get the values of 92. Okay, very important and easiest question. Okay, so trend calculations, they are regularly asking in our business statistics examination. So students, please learn this calculation. Okay, please like and share, subscribe. Thank you.